for the umpire's decision. That's pretty comprehensive.
Oh, might want to have a look there. There's a little bit of a fumble, so... Well, we don't want to have a controversy on our hands.
Been given out on field.
Been given out on field, so Sarah Lowe's walking. She's happy to go.
Yes.
Oh, well out.
Clean. Maybe Crouch.
That's actually very good work.
And the wrong one too. So he's picked the wrong one. He tried a bit of a shimmy. It doesn't work with Rashid Khan.
Bit of skylarking. Yes. Great. He's punished by the best T20 bowler on the planet.
Oh, Rashid's just thinking of give me a spell.
In the end, he's just missed a straight one.
I've had to deal with the best in the world. I'm not putting up with that from you.
Nervous 40s, Trav. Good luck.
Oh, Rashid, yes, that's it. I reckon he's gone. They're sending it upstairs. Have we got DRS in this game? Rashid Khan takes matters into his own hands. Let's have a look at the run out.
Well, a little nudge in a bit wicked from Hartlett. Rashid turns and Travis is gone. Jeez. He's pulled out the serious pills, Rashid, for that ball, hasn't he? Wow. He'd let him go and he's thought enough's enough. He's not going to tolerate much more of this. The world's best T20 bowler. Direct hit.